Ladies Koley Baccha. If you have been traveling by public transport, or more specifically by public buses in Kolkata, you probably would have heard this phrase or some variation of it. Let's have a look at what it means. Let's have a look at the meanings word by word. So, the first word, Aastey, means slow. The second word, ladies, is of course English and it means just the same, ladies. The last word, Baccha, means a child. The third word comes from the root word kol. Now, kol means lap, kole means in the lap, and therefore, kole baccha means baby in the lap. Before we go to the meaning of the phrase, let me give you a couple of pointers about the streets of Kolkata. The buses look like that and they try to pick up as many passengers as they can. So the buses are fully packed and the buses will race each other to pick up more number of passengers, and because they do that they will stop for very short times at the designated bus stops. Now passengers have to get down and get into the bus within a very short period of time, and to facilitate that, a person in the picture, he's wearing that yellow shirt, he will stand at the gate and he will signal to the driver that all of the passengers have got down safely or got up safely, and hence the birth of this phrase. So, Aastey Ladies means slow ladies, literally. So, the conductor of the bus signals to the bus driver that you have to give a slightly longer stoppage at this particular bus stop because there are women in the passengers who have to get down safely at this stop. Hence the birth of this phrase, Aastey Ladies. Oh, and by the way, that poster is from a Bengali serial which is named Aastey Ladies. Now the in the bus scenario it means slow down because there are ladies, and in the serial the the three ladies, as you can probably guess, are involved in some sort of robberies. So in that also it implies that uh, caution ladies are involved here. So basically, it's a tongue-in-cheek way of referring to the original phrase "Aastey Ladies Koley Baccha." Now there are two variants to the phrases depending on the level of criticality. The first one is Aastey Ladies, which means slow down. There are ladies amongst the passengers who are about to get down. The second one is Aastey Ladies Koley Baccha, which means that there are ladies among the passengers, but they are carrying babies in their arms. So the bus conductor will signal to the driver that you have to slow down even further because ladies and along with their babies have to get down at the next stop. So it closes a very critical communication loop between the the passengers and the drivers by the use of these phrases.
কম্পিউটারের কানেক্ট হওয়ার পর আমরা প্রাইস